In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create kids' songs in Suno AI. If you've been wanting to make fun, catchy music for children, whether it's a nursery rhyme, a gentle bedtime tune, a playful sing-along, or a cartoon-style track, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with clarity and confidence. First, open Suno AI. Log into your account so you can save and generate songs. Once you're in, click Create and choose Simple Mode. Simple mode is ideal for kids' music because it keeps the process straightforward and lets you focus on what matters most. An easy, cheerful sound that young listeners can instantly latch onto. Next, pick a kid's music style. You'll see options like happy nursery rhyme, bedtime kids song, educational song, animal song, and adventure kids song. Choose the one that best fits your idea. If you want something lively and bouncy, go for happy nursery rhyme. If you're aiming for calm and soothing, bedtime kids song will serve you well. Educational song is perfect for teaching letters, numbers, or simple facts, while animal song and adventure kids song inspire imagination and storytelling. Now add your lyrics. Kids songs work best with short sentences, plenty of repetition, and simple rhyming words. Keep lines brief and easy to sing. Repeat key phrases so children can quickly memorize and join in. Use rhyme to make the lines flow. Think about one clear idea per section, like a single animal, a bedtime routine, or a counting activity. The goal is to make the words friendly, predictable, and fun. To shape the sound further, add helpful style keywords. Useful keywords include cheerful, playful, cartoon style, sing-along, educational, cute vocals, and fun melody. These help Suno understand the feel you're after. For example, cheerful and playful guide the mood, cartoon style leans into bright, animated energy, sing-along encourages a strong, memorable hook, and cute vocals signal a warm, child-friendly delivery. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will usually generate two versions of your song, each with different vocal styles and melodies. Listen to both all the way through. Pay attention to which version is the most catchy, simple, and easy to understand. Choose the one with a clear chorus, a steady beat, and lyrics that roll off the tongue. If something feels too busy, prioritize clarity and repetition. That's it. With Suno AI, you can quickly produce nursery rhymes, educational tunes, bedtime songs, and playful sing-alongs that children love. Keep it simple, keep it cheerful, and let repetition do the heavy lifting. Happy creating!